Okay, here we are. It's your girl Maya. Number 10 mix and slide. So, I don't know if I can hear it because
Guys,
the
not now,
TV.
okay?
But hold on.
Look, I worked my Ashley's album, and because of you three, I might not even get to the record release.
So,
Not to mention
yeah.
you've ruined this trip for me and
So we
Samantha.
have, I'm gonna show y'all the ingredients. We have
I'm not in the mood to hear it.
a bowl. I don't have any shaving cream, so I'm gonna use some shaving gel.
AJ sucks, Air Marshal.
Hey, with you in a moment, son.
Okay, you're gonna regret that.
And then a small 4-ounce glue. So yeah, the first thing we're gonna do,
Did you help 3
is
chipmunks get
add
their
the
rental car
glue.
today?
Yeah, that came in.
With some guy.
Probably their dad.
Probably not their dad,
Is
because he's a
actually
human
in
and they're chipmunks.
Hey! Families come in all shapes and sizes, sir. It's not for me to judge. We don't do that here at Miss B's.
Okay, this is how it's gonna go down. I need you to go back there and get me the GPS information for that rental car.
I'm only gonna use a little bit just because it's 4-ounce.
Is that so? I work for the United States government, and we pretty much track everything. I know what you had for lunch today.
Now,
Falafel! Now scurry back there and get me
No.
the frequency and uplink
I'm
code from
going-
that rental car.
I'll just play.
Hey! And I
Now
need the
that
fastest
we have the glue
you've got.
in the bowl, I'm gonna add this shaving gel.
Are you kidding me right now? You know what this is? This is a roller skate with wheels.
Pretty sure roller skates come with wheels.
Like Tweety Bird! Buckle up! Stop! This is like driving a parakeet!
It's not that much coming out.
Those rodents got a 200-mile head start. Time to roll up some road, Suggs. So say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo. Come on!
I'm trying to get as much as possible. I hear it.
Remember, guys, we're here to make a quick pit stop, then we're getting back on the road.
Don't worry, Dave. It'll be really quick.
So this is, I don't know if y'all can see, but yeah.
Oh,
So
that's unusual.
I'm going to mix it.
It would have been rude to not order something. Hey, guys, look what I want. Isn't he cute? Look at that face.
That's actually funny, Al.
So say Geronimo, 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 say Geronimo.
You know we're talking. Guacamole. I could live here.
Hey, no smiling. You're still grounded, remember?
Thanks. Hi, thank you. This is what I'm talking about. Hi. Whoa. Oh, wow. Oh, baby. If this is grounded, ground me for life.
Don't tempt me.
I've run out of ideas. Get the name right and the character will appear. Humbug,
Charles.
Scratch, Sponge, Scrooge. Mr. Scrooge.
Now I
How
have it.
delightful to meet you, sir. Sorry, I can't say the same. You and I are going to do wonderful things together. I have told you not to disturb me when I am working. The characters won't do what I want. I'm the author here.
Allegedly. Hallowed the goddess of death is
So
invading
now
Asgard.
that it's
I lost my home.
almost done,
I lost my hammer.
I'm going
You cut your hair. Looks good on you.
Oh, you
to
think?
use a
You
little
just stop
bit
by here
of
and
the
now. So putting together a team.
activator. We're going to use this as activator.
Has it got a name?
Revenge.
And I'm only going to put like
That means